Chamberlain Trail. Said you had to bring a watermelon and a machete and a sled. Yeah, look at that yellow on the rocks. That's a weird yellow. It's the #1 tunnel. There's 2 and then 3. Dude, I'd love to come rev my Camaro in here, dude. I wonder if that's what he's gonna do. Come here, buddy. If I was gonna do it, I'd rev it. Rev it!
Look, the top looks charred a little bit.
Yeah, see that. I wonder if that's because maybe they like used explosives or something.
It didn't look like clean cut.
Yeah, no, I was just looking at that. Yeah, this looks like it's probably explosives.
Pretty decent size.
Oh, it's not. There's a car coming. Yeah, I know. They wouldn't go 80 through here.
I'll chuck this watermelon through the window.
So think they killed somebody. Oh, there's flooding. What is that? All right, we're on the top. Watermelon time. It's all black inside. Okay. Cool view.
Hi.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, yeah. So there's where we passed up. Oh, this is the tunnel. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Quick, because it's very chilly right here.
Get the sun.
Oh, where's the sun? There we go.
Yeah, okay, so step back for a second. Cool.
I do want a piggyback ride.
I can. And if I fall, I'll throw you first, and then I'll land on top of you.
Just spin around so you land on her.
Well, I'll help you. Don't mind people, you got a long way to go.
Not really. It's straight from here almost.
Yeah, but it's downhill. Just walk sideways, Dave, like this.
Watch out, prickly bush. I was thinking about climbing this almost to the top, about 5 feet away, but there's a really hard part that looked pretty sketchy coming down, and you got to think about coming down too. Sometimes you can't see when you're going down, so